Hi, I'm Barbara Johnson. In this chapter, we look at quadratic equations. We also look at quadratic functions and graphs of quadratic functions. We'll look also at applications of quadratic functions, and then we'll finish by looking at quadratic inequalities and rational inequalities. Solve 25x squared minus 7 equals 0. This equation only has an x squared term, so we'll solve it by adding 7 to both sides, dividing both sides by 25, which gives us x squared equals 7 over 25. Since we only have an x squared term, we can use the principle of square roots. And since x squared is 7 over 25, that tells us that x equals the square root of 7 over 25, or x equals the opposite of the square root of 7 over 25. When you use this principle, be sure to get two answers. We can take the square root of the denominator separately, which would give us x equals the square root of 7 over the square root of 25, which is 5, or x equals the opposite of the square root of 7 over 5. These are the two solutions. They're often written in with an abbreviation as plus or minus. So we can say the solutions are plus or minus the square root of 7 over 5. This represents two solutions.